Hello world. Today we're going to learn to make a music player in JavaScript. First, however, we need to show all the elements for the HTML and CSS files. That's right, this is a web page. Here's the HTML file, the song's details, the buttons, and the sliders for the song position and volume. Next, we have the CSS file, which gives the page some visual organization and appeal. As you can see, all the divs and elements are given some details such as font size, color, and alignment. That's what Flex does. Flex can help with alignment. There are also things that adjust the size and bounds of different stuff. There's also opacity and cursor. Cursor pointer just tells the computer to turn the mouse cursor into a pointer to let the user know it's a clickable element. Now, we have the JavaScript file. First, we define all the divs from the HTML file to be used and modified in this file. This is essentially where all the magic of computers happens. Make the program play audio, first of all. Then establish a list of songs. We load the song. And doing so will load the file and take the song information from the list, replacing the placeholder text. That's what this is for right here. There's also a line for updating the slider's position each second and going to the next song when the current one finishes. There are functions for resetting the values so they update properly, pause and play functions that change the icon, as well as stop or resume the music when needed. Next, we have the previous and next song functions. That they will change the song depending on where you are in the list. Sorry, there's just banging upstairs. I'm not sure if you can hear it. We then have the functions that allow you to adjust the sliders based on a percentage, so a fraction out of 100. Finally, we have the function for updating the seek slider. And the if statement right here is to just make sure that it is a legible duration, something like 524, something like that. It's just for a debug sort of thing. And it compares the current position of the slider with the duration of the song. Now, to run it, we go to index here, right click, and then open with live server. If you do not have this option, it's one of the extensions in VS Code. Alright, now to get rid of this window on OBS. Yes, I'm sure. Here we go. So as you can see, we have a standard song player here. I put in 4 royalty-free songs, but I will credit the artists of said songs in the description as well as on here because it says the song artist. So, unfortunately, it does start with the placeholder that may be fixable. I'm not completely sure, but I don't feel like fixing it right now. Alright, and so you go to song, and as you can tell, it's playing music. Wait, no, you can't. Down to muting it. And when it finishes the song, it goes to the next folder. And if you press next, it will loop back to the first song. You can also pause it, move the position by clicking and dragging, and then pressing play. And if you press the back button, it goes to the last scene. Alright, and there we are with the music player program using JavaScript as well as HTML and CSS for the kind of styling of the program. Thank you, and have a great day.